I'm videoing. I'm following it along. Look at all the traffic came to look at it. And there's lots and lots of people here. Now let's turn our attention to the river. See, it's up there, it is. On the RV park down here. You can see some of the pavilions. And there's some water rushing. It's just moving. You should see it. See those light colors? That's the tops of some of the pavilions that are submerged. There's a house. There's a dock that's not in very good shape right at this very moment. There's another one that's faring okay, not too great. Okay, I got a tree in the way.